On number 9, I want to first isolate the radical. And there's a couple different ways that we could do this. We could subtract the 3x from both sides, but that still leaves that negative in front of it, which would be okay. You would still have to just divide both sides by -1. But what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to move the radical to the other side and then move the 5 over. So you can actually move that entire radical as one unit. So the 3x and then the new plus 5 on that side is equal to, if you add, so I'm actually adding 3x plus 7, the square root of 3x plus 7, and that cancels it out here, and then it moves it over to the other side. So we are allowed to treat that as one entire unit. Okay, so now that it's isolated, we can square both sides. So on the left, that is a FOIL problem. And on the right, the radical has disappeared. So if I FOIL that, I get 9x squared plus 30x plus 25 is equal to 3x plus 7. Okay, so I have x's and x squareds. I want to get everything onto one side and 0 on the other so that I can solve by factoring. So I'm going to subtract 3x from both sides to get 27x. Then I'm going to factor out a 9. And then I can factor this to be x plus 1 and x plus 2. So 1 times 2 gives me the 2, 1 plus 2 gives me the 3. Okay, so set 9 equal to 0, set x plus 1 equal to 0, and set x plus 2 equal to 0. Well, 9's never going to equal 0. X is going to be equal to -1, and x is going to be equal to -2. And whoops, I shouldn't circle them because I need to check them first. So if you type in the two different sides of the equation, and then plug in -1, -2, these match, so -1 works, and these do not match, so -2 does not work. So -1 is a solution, -2 is not a solution.